can't believe this is somebody's yard. It's all green. Nice and green. Look at the cozy traditional homes and colorful gardens to cooking straight from the land. This is more than a tour. It's a celebration of culture, community, and the deep roots of Southern African life. Gino's Creative World from Mokolodi, Botswana, Southern Africa. Yeah, we are chilling here. You see all this with having some drinks. You know? Now we're gonna eat.
You gotta eat. You're gonna eat. You're gonna eat. You're gonna eat.
Yeah.
Ooh, ayan
From the grill, from table, Delaware, Philadelphia, and Virginia, in the house in Mokolodi. We're having so much fun. We're loving being back home, enjoying the company. And there's the grill man over there.
The grill man over there.
Grill man right here. All the way right here is the grill man.
The grill man.
Yeah, I know, right? Yeah. The food we're about to eat, we're gonna feed ourselves. Just it looks. What's in here? Chicken. What's in here? Pork. And then chakalaka. That's beans and veggies, right? Kim. Pumpkin. Oh, I'm gonna eat that one.
Is it?
Wow.